Hi friends, hope all are doing well. In today's session, we'll learn about product recall process. Nowadays, product recall is one of the most essential factors to maintain brand reputation. We'll discuss about what is product recall and steps for product recall. Then we will understand the mock recall process and finally the tips for effective recall. What is product recall? A product recall is a process where a company retrieves a product from the market due to safety concerns, defects, or regulatory non-compliance. This action is typically taken to protect consumers from potential harms and to comply with legal standards. Product recall are essential for maintaining consumers' trust and ensuring product safety. Key steps in product recall. The key steps in product recall process are crucial for ensuring consumer safety and maintaining brand integrity. Here are the essential steps. First thing is to identifying the faulty product. The product recall begins with identifying the specific product or batch that may pose a risk to the consumers. Next, notifying relevant authorities. Once a product safety issue is confirmed, companies must promptly notify the proper regulatory agencies and authorities. Next crucial step is communicating with consumers. Effective communication with consumers is vital. This includes issuing press releases, social media announcements, and direct notifications to inform them about the recall. Next is implementing a product recovery plan. The company must retrieve the affected products from the market. This can involve returning product to store, issuing refunds, or providing replacements. Next, post-recall evaluation and reporting. After the recall, companies will conduct a thorough evaluation to identify the root cause of the issues and implement corrective actions to prevent future occurrence. Last and not the least is monitoring and follow-up. Continuous monitoring of the product recall process ensures that all the affected products are retrieved and the issue is fully resolved. These steps help companies manage risks, ensure safety, and protect their brand reputation. Now discuss about what is mock recall process. The mock product recall is a stimulated exercise conducted by a company to test their effectiveness of recall procedure. This practice helps ensure that in the event of an actual recall, the company can quickly and effectively remove potentially harmful products from the market, thus reduce the damage or adverse effect on consumers. Mock recall are crucial for identifying potential problems and ensuring that all the personnel are familiar with the recall procedures. They help improve the overall readiness and efficiency of the recall process. Now have a look at the key steps in mock recall process. First, management involvement. Ensure that the management is aware of the mock recall but not the exact timing to stimulate real life condition. Recall management team. Assemble a team responsible for managing the recall process. Next, product selection. Randomly select a product to test the recall process. Execution. Perform the mock recall by tracing the product throughout the supply chain, identifying where it has been distributed. Next is notification. Send out notification to all relevant parties, including retailers and consumers, as you would do in real recall. Then monitoring. Monitoring the response and action taken by the recall team. Review and adjustment. Conduct a post-mortem review to identify any issues or areas for improvement in the recall process. Practice. Regularly conduct mock recalls to keep the team prepared and the procedure up to date. Tips for effective product recall. First thing is to have a recall plan in place. Develop a comprehensive recall plan before any issue arises. This plan should outline the steps to take, key personnel involved, and communication strategies. Act quickly. Speed is crucial in recall process. Once a defect is identified, act swiftly to minimize potential harm to consumers and reduce the impact on company's reputation. Have clear communications. Communicate clearly and transparently with consumers, retailers, and regulatory authorities. Use multiple channels such as press releases, social media, and direct notification to ensure the message reaches all affected parties. Efficient product retrieval. Implement an efficient system for retrieving the affected products from the market. This can include issuing refunds, providing replacements, or returning product to stores. Next, monitor and follow up. Continuously monitor the recall process to ensure all affected products are retrieved and the issue is fully resolved. Follow up with the consumers to confirm they have taken the necessary actions. Post-recall evaluation. After the recall, conduct a thorough evaluation to identify the root cause of the issues and implement corrective actions to prevent future occurrence. Now have a look at some example of product recall to have better understanding. Product recall are applied across various industries like food and beverage industry to trace and remove contaminated or mislabeled product from the market. Pharmaceutical to recall defective or potentially harmful drugs, ensuring compliance with the regulatory requirements. Consumer goods. Manufacturers of consumer products such as electronics and household items recall initiated for potential safety issues or defect. Automotive industry. Car manufacturer perform recalling vehicles with safety defects or non-compliance issues. Medical devices. Companies producing medical devices conduct recall of devices that may pose health risks. Agriculture. Agricultural business recalls contaminated product or other agricultural products. Thanks. That's all from today. To get regular updates about different audit standards and regulation, please do like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.